Hey guys, good day. Welcome back again to my channel. It's your baby girl. This video you're about to watch is about food challenge. So guys, this one I choco. So today we want to do food challenge. So it's Jenny lifestyle. So I've changed my name yesterday to Mary Jenny. So stay tuned and watch this video. Stay blessed, and we will see who will win this game. Anybody that won this game is going to go home with 5,000 naira. You can see the money there. The money is the money day table. So stay tuned and let's watch this video together. Stay blessed. Have a lovely Sunday.
Morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the location and area you are watching me from. This is Babatunde Olaitan on Jenny Lifestyle. We want to do a food challenge of anybody that first finish this food is going to win a huge amount of 5,000 naira. These are my guys. These are my oga from at the top. So I took them from a restaurant. This is them. This is the food. This is also the food. And this is the cash price that attached to it. 5,000 naira. Okay, wait. Now, if I asked you to say start, then you are going to start. Oh yeah, start. The first person to finish this food is going to win this cash price of 5,000 naira. This is a huge price. If you are the first person to finish the food, you are going home. You're not paying for the food, and you're not paying for anything. What you are going home with is the cash price of 5,000 naira. It is just only these two people. Well done, well done. You are highly well done. You are well done. You can as well take water. You can drink water. You can drink water. Oh God, this is too much. Continue. Don't hide it, oh. Don't hide it. You are well done. Jesus, well done. Look at the crews that are watching. Well done, well done. 5,000 naira is on the table. Going. If I were you, I would have finished the whole thing. But I cannot finish more than 2. I cannot eat more than 2. This man. Jesus. This man on pullover. You are well done, no? Well done. You can take water. You have to unwrap the food, the water. You finish. When you finish the wrap of fufu, and you also finish the soup. If you finish only the fufu and you do not eat your meat and your fish, no winner yet. Yeah, well done, well done. Well done. You guys are trying. You can take water. There is times for you to take water. You can drink water. Drink water. There's water. Yeah. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Well done. Yeah. This food is reducing, though. You guys are trying. 5,000 naira on the go. No. Nobody should help. Nobody should help. You are the one to take the water yourself. Nobody should help. Oh yeah. You own this table today. Even the seller, you own this table today. You are the owner of the table. Eat your fish, eat your meat. You are good to go. Good to go. He choke. Well done. Well done. He choke. Continue. You guys are trying. Very, very trying. Well done. You are well done. A bit. Somebody will go home with this amount of 5,000 naira today. So somebody is going home with this money. This table is reducing. The first person, can you see the food? The second person, can you see the food? Keep it up. And can you see the cash price? Cash price attached. This thing choke oh. Jenny lifestyle. Well done. It be like say both of you are a bit tired. Continue. The first person to finish this food win the cash prize of 5,000 naira here. If you be the first person to win, you are good to go. But if no one wins, that shows nobody is winning this morning today. Can you see? The second person is going down. Going. Well done, bro. Well done. Going. But this one is still sorry. I can see you are sweating. I can see. Well done. Sorry. But this don't be sweating because there is 5,000 attached to this competition. Are you good to go or you want to surrender? You don't want to surrender? Good to go. Continue, no problem. Brother, are you good to go or you want to surrender? You cannot talk. Well done. Can you see from my side? I want to pick a winner from here. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? You want to withdraw? Now I have my winner. This is my winner. This is the winner. And now you are going on with this cash prize of 5,000 naira from Jenny Lifestyle. Thank you for this competition. Thank you. God bless you. This is your cash prize of 5,000 naira.